I'm continuing work on this Williamsburg dressing glass. This is a photo of the piece that's in the museum there in Williamsburg. This is my drawing of many pages of drawing. This is a complicated piece. I've worked out the bottom part here. However, I still have to do the drawers, but I've been working on this mirror bow, the mirror frame here, and you can see the where I stand with the actual frame. I used multiple pieces of mahogany, less than 1/8 of an inch thick, to bend this shape around a form, and I've got a previous video on how I did that. And then this top part was just cut out from one board, not steam bent, but I had to actually steam bend this stuff. Now, after having then the bent bow in this top piece, I connected with a miter joint here. And then after that, I created the space for the mirror. This is the back face, and the mirror will fit within this shape. It'll be a 1/8 inch thick mirror, and then I'll be using some glue blocks to hold that mirror into place. I used the router table to create that groove, or it's not a groove, it's a dado, I guess. Now, today I did some veneering on the mahogany. The original piece had cross-banded mahogany veneer all the way around on the top, on the face of the bow. So today, using a lot of hot glue and the veneer hammer and some nice cutting tools and some straight grained mahogany, I pieced together multiple pieces fastened, and then I would cut the two overlapping pieces at the joint and remove that material and create a hopefully very nice joint when I had multiple pieces. Down here in the sharp curve, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of skinny pieces. As I could use longer pieces as I got up here where I'm perpendicular. So I would paint hot glue on the surface of the mahogany, and then I would paint hot glue on both surfaces of these pieces, then overlap them, cut the joint, cut through both pieces, and then remove the waste and shove it down and create that closed joint. So that was done in several hours today. I'll leave this overnight, and tomorrow I can remove all the overlapping edge, cut that out, and use scraper blade to get all the glue off the surface here, clean that up. After that's done, then there's a strip of this kind of shape that will go all along the outer edge of the veneer here. So I'll have to create a little groove for this stringing to be glued into that little space all the way around the border. So I can start that tomorrow. Just today I was testing how I would be able to bend around the shapes here. So I'm using a big soldering iron and some water to create to conform to the shape that I need here. So there's quite a bit of work yet to be done on this mirror.